Today I'm going to teach you how to automatically cut to any beat using an automatic AI beat detector inside of Premiere Pro. Let's go. All right, guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro. We're going to be using an AI plugin called AutoEdit Event Recap Mode. To open the plugin, you go to Window, hit Extensions, and we'll click Event Recap Mode, and the plugin will pop up. Now, there's a tutorial installed with it, but we're going to skip through it because I'm going to be teaching you. So first things first, let's say you have a bunch of clips like this, right? You want to just cut them to a beat of a song. Maybe you're editing a concert video, maybe you're editing a recap, and you're like, you know what? I just really want all of these clips just cut to the beat. And then I can start there with a starting point so I can, begin editing later on. Well, this plugin is perfect for that. All you literally do is you click upload your music, you go to your music track, you select your music track, you hit open, and then you go ahead and scroll down to the B-roll clips. Now, these are all of your raw B-roll footage. I recommend, uploading at least enough clips so that it'll cover the entire length of the song. So you can see I'm selecting all my clips and then I hit open. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit next to BPM. And this is the AI beat detector part. So you can either use an automatic AI beat detection where you just click one button and it automatically detects the BPM for you, or you can manually tap to the beat, which is really cool because I've never seen a plugin that lets you do this before, where you can literally just go ahead and just play the song and then you just tap. So you can see I'm just tapping to the beat and it'll do this for about 15 seconds. And you can see the cool thing is the BPM is automatically generating as I tap. Boom, perfect. And now we have a 90 BPM. So if that's your BPM, perfect. If not, you can go ahead and adjust the BPM using AI. So I'm going to show you the AI version as well. So we can go ahead and hit the auto detection, and this might load for a couple seconds. And boom, just like that, it has detected the BPM for us. You can see if we don't like that, we can go ahead and scroll and adjust the BPM to whatever BPM we want. Now we can change the cut speed selector to fast, variation, or slow. And then now we hit next to auto rough cut. Now this is the part where it'll just automatically build out your timeline, cut to the beat. And we're just going to go ahead and do in order because I want to preserve the order that I selected the clips, and boom, just like that, you now have an edit of your entire B-roll footage edited to the beat of music, and it'll build out this nice rough cut for you so you can get a nice starting point on your edit timeline. Keep in mind, it will repeat clips if you don't upload enough clips to cover the length of the entire song. So that is just one limitation with this plugin. But let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave them down below in the comments. You can see all of these B-roll selects are already done for us, and this is honestly really cool. Like, I don't have to do any of these B-roll selects anymore myself. You can see it's already filtered through and pulled a lot of the best B-roll selects for me. This is honestly really helpful. Now, if you want to learn how you can automatically edit the rest of your entire event recap video with transitions, effects, and sound effects, then you can check out this video linked right here.